Today I would like to show you how to control your garage opener with brand new or just side, maybe your wife, maybe some visitors, and this is how we teach this card to the gate opener. I got those from Amazon. I will leave the link for you, and it says this device complies with the Part 15 FCC rules, and this is RF transmitter. Chamberlain brand gate opener, and this is my gate. It opens following this rack and pinion. Okay, in order to use your device for the first time, you need to press the second one and the third one. Okay, you have to press these two buttons at the same time till the red LED blinking. Yes, it's now blinking, flashing, and it's time to... For those models, you will see the yellow one at the rear side of the Chamberlain, and you have to press this button to see the LED illuminating. Press and hold for 3 or 5 seconds of the yellow one, the yellow button of Chamberlain. Alright, and then I press the long button and I'm pressing it. Yep, it detected. And the door a little bit moved. I have to close now, so the remote control is now teach the device, and it's open. Stop, and with the same button, it's closed. We didn't use the first and the second one. The first and second one just for empty, maybe other doors you may teach your remote control, because it seems that we have got 3 different kind of options, but this one is the main gate and it's now learned. Look, it's responding and stopped. And it's working fine. If you want to check out the manual, it seems like this. On the rear side, change buttons, working mode on remote, battery, troubleshooting.